You suck.
How dare you ask me a question like that? Especially front and straight. Of course, me suck. Let me tell you, my boy. Let me tell you. It is especially nice. You see? Let me tell you. You think me I go make a next man come try palm my wife before me try it first? Yeah? Let me tell you. It is especially nice when it gone off a little, when it touch. Yeah, me boy. You don't make a next man do it here? Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you a nice part. You see that little part between the body and the pum pum? Eh? You know what you call that? You call that the chin rest. You call that chin rest.
In a previous video, I said the yard man them a eat on a sheet to get the green card or the residency or the citizenship or whatever it is that you get in the other countries. Yeah, man. As the woman, most of the yard woman, they're saying they're getting eaten. And all I yard man them a say they not eat. So who do eat? Who a lie? Who a tell the truth? Me believe it, woman them. Anyways, today 4th of July, we will be watching this on the 5th. But as a yard man who got married to a US citizen, me can call her right now. She will tell him say me never eat. Anyways, happy 4th of July to all our yardie them in America. Big up on yourself. And a special happy 4th of July to my ex-wife. She's the one who make it possible. A good girl. Although ain't give me bun. Big up yourself. You get a car, you get a rent paid, you get a bills paid, you get everything done, and you still give me bun as everything said. But you did get bun too. Let's continue. Tonight gone nice. Be a please. But like if you for now, I beg you to please. We on a roll. Me not tell no like respect.
I'm pregnant.
I'm happy for you. But don't you think that's a bit too much information?
I'm carrying your child. Are you happy?
This look happy? Woman, are you insane? You can't be carrying my child.
Why not?
Because you're
A woman?
No. Yes, but you're also
A what?
a business person.
So what I'm supposed to do now?
Why are you asking me? I'm sure this isn't your first wardrobe malfunction. This sort of thing don't happen to you all the time.
Yes, every fortnight.
Look, I'll pay you for your time.
This is not about my time. It's about our pregnancy.
Which our pregnancy? Me look pregnant to you?
This baby I'm carrying is ours.
Oh, really? Given what you do for a living, how can you be so certain who is responsible for whatever happened to you?
No happens to me, I'm pregnant.
Don't use that word to me, I don't like to hear it.
And I certain who responsible. Because that was my only wardrobe misfunction in 10 years of doing business.
So what about your boyfriend?
I don't have one.
You can't tell me anything, I don't know nothing about you.
We can do a fraternity test.
Paternity.
As soon as the baby come, we take a DNA sample.
DNA.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, hear me, lady. This jacket is not my size. It nah go fit.
So you won't be living up to your responsibility?
Which responsibility? What did this woman, man? After I don't even know if nothing do you.
I is already having morning sicknesses. I'm sure you can see that me starting to show.
Sure. But me don't know so if it's a big you got big. I have a name you over name. Suppose I crave you, damn craving.
You saying you don't want this child?
He do what? Yes, I walk and collect people pick me. Yes, I run creech.
Well, there's an alternative way of dealing with this.
Yes, alternate your jacket on somebody else.
I could discuss this pregnancy with...
I said, don't use that word to me.
I could discuss it with Mrs. Brenda Wilson.
Then, darling, baby, but sweetheart, why you have to be like that, man? Don't we can discuss this. This is between me and you, man.
Me's a sweetheart now.
Look, why don't we sit and discuss this like two adults?
Why don't we sit and discuss this like two adults? You better switch up quick and fast when you hear saying wife gonna get involved. But brother, how you are by front? And well, she said it was a wardrobe malfunction. That means a condom bust. DNA daddy not available. I thought the boss one pull, but she not there on that. Me not tell lie, me rate Oliver Shibata. Although I'm a fish, me rate him same way, but Titus, Glenn Samuels are my favorite actor. Yeah man. Me kinda mismatch, but me just represent America. I love the country, me not tell lie. But no place like home. Because only home can produce plays like these. What is the next one you know?
Did you know you had a benefactor?
No, it's only sugar badami.
No, your Uncle Edgar has passed.
Make somebody go stay out of front, I might have pass again.
Him dead. Play 3. Kick the bucket. Him dead left all our money and belongings for you.
All?
All.
I didn't know you had to pass Beverly Hills from downtown to further downtown.
I never know if you eat yet, so.
Then why you have your chat up in a boss face son?
I owe him
The yard boy ain't come in the yard.
a piece of cake. my bring.
Cake! Lax! You should not never tell you about the sweet teeth.
No, Nyami, you have sugar. You're not supposed to want yam cake. Plus, you don't know who is who.
I owe it.
The housekeeper.
And what is your role here?
Exactly what it sound like. If you keep the house. No, Daisy! Don't yam that! You don't know what he eat.
You see your boss tears dry up. 5 bars here say Uncle Dead left everything for him. Da. You know, say most family feud in Jamaica start over deadlift. Second to land argument. Jaja. Anyways, on to the next. Yeah. It's a British play still, but you have some Jamaican hit, so they say so. We're gonna watch it together.
Mrs. Johnson. Come on, Mrs. Johnson. Why the surprise? You know I've always wanted to celebrate your nuptials.
Do you know this, Vicar?
I have visited her parish many times. True, I have not yet seen the inside of her cathedral, but she has a very accommodating rector.
I beg your pardon.
And God created woman, and he said it was good. But I say it's better than good. It is a bounteous piece of super creation, designed for prolonged physical exploration. I deal with the head of me onboard satellite navigation.
Reverend, let's get on with the service.
Hey, my church, my rules.
Donovan?
Call me your holiness, and I will grant you a private hearty hence you'll never forget. Come, receive me blessings, kiss me ring, and if you stay on your knees long enough, I'll give you a ride on me Pope Mobile.
What the hell is going on here?
Shouldn't the real question be, what the hell is going on there?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey! Come on, Mrs. Johnson, it was meant to be. I is Jonah, you is the whale. I is Moses, you is me fatted calf. Uh-oh.
Do you know who I am? This is my wife.
No, she isn't. You never said I do.
I do.
Well, I don't. Come on, Mrs. Johnson, hurry up.
Giddy up, Mrs. Johnson. Yeah.
Donovan, you have any idea where we're going?
Paradise, Mrs. Johnson.
You saw that on the car? It says not married instead of just married. This is a real pastor. He worse than the Jamaican pastor we have on TikTok. You only think him no cause bad one, but him on thief, him on Wi-Fi altar, and it sounds like and it seems like they were having an affair before. Cause the man say no all our parishes in and out, outside in. Man, Jamaican plays, man, I best the funniest. We need back center stage. Anyways, if you don't like it, video, like it for me. Again, happy 4th of July. Although tomorrow you'll be seeing it. The 5th, all of the yard them will live America. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, big up my wife again. Ex-wife, rather. Appreciate it. I want you hear them boss me. Think of 2017, a friend. 2017, me have the shirt, yeah. Yeah, man, I see next stretch out and all these things, but that's how you think said. Anyways, like a video for me, share it, click the notification bell after you subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me if you like my shirt. Army hat. Stay safe. God bless.